This first aid on me when we get home.
Yeah, what do you need?
My ankle.
What's wrong with your ankle?
I hurt it.
Ouch. Yeah. What is this thing? What is this place? So, what you really want before you forge into the fridge. Wait, no, wait. You have to think about what you really want before you forge into the fridge. Did you think?
I was thinking some water.
We have water. I need some fucking sleep.
Oh man, they just took a shit in the fridge.
What?
They took a shit in the fridge.
Do not open it. Okay, are you ready? I'm gonna open it. Durka durka doodle butt. Durka durka doody butt. LSD through DMT. How does that work?
You sold the wrong shit.
We should leave a message.
Snail cunt.
Snail cunt. Wow. Check this one out. Look at this one. I like the smiley face. Alright. What do we want to be in this thing? You know, I think it's sealed anyway. Yeah, it's locked.
Here, babe. Now something. Okay, something.
Should color it in. This is what snails look like when you're on acid. What is that, water?
It's the sky. Send.
Oh, we have all different colors, nice.